Hi friends, today I am going to show you the recipe for the simple quick snack that can be enjoyed with your tea, that is ribbon pakoda. To prepare ribbon pakoda, I am using 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of crushed jeera seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. You can also add a little bit of hing to this. I am adding 1 teaspoon of hot oil and mixing well. And then preparing a smooth soft dough by adding water as much as needed, little at a time. Now that the dough is ready, for the first time I am greasing the ribbon pakoda maker with a little bit of oil and adding a roll of dough into it. I have kept the oil for frying. Once it is hot, I am pressing the ribbon pakoda directly to it. Do not overcrowd, press only until it can be covered in oil. Fry until the bubbles have reduced. The ribbon pakoda is fried on one side, so let's flip it over. Tasty and a quick snack ribbon pakoda is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!